Well, since this is stuck in things, you want to see something interesting, type it into the search engine. Maybe you'll get something that's fun to look at.
You sure can.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Lake Hippie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to rack up those skill points. Now, I've seen several videos suggesting several different car types, but I would suggest using the old Peel, the three-wheel Peel, and I'm going to show you why the P50 is my personal favorite car to rack up the points, because it's the only car so far that I've seen that has this, the skill multiplier of 8. Plus it's got a bunch of other bonus skill boosters, and if you take it in the shop and give it a bit of an upgrade, swap in the inline 4 motorbike engine, no turbo, just keep it naturally aspirated. Too much power in this thing is definitely a bad thing. This much power is already too much. Definitely want to go with the upgraded tires, upgraded trans, brakes, everything but the turbo, and you're going to come out with a little under 200 horsepower, which is probably a recipe for disaster. But this car is just great at racking up those skill points, and with that ×8 multiplier you can rack them up a lot quicker than if you were using, you know, say a car with a normal ×5 or even a bonus ×6. And there's a few out there that have ×7, but this is the only one I've seen so far that's got a ×8. And really all you got to do is take it to the beach and just spin it around, get lots of drift points, you know, maybe smack into a few things, get some wreckage points, get some side swipe points. I really like to take it down here to the other end of the beach where the drag strip is, and just smack into everything while I'm drifting. And it's a really quick, easy way to rack up points. See, I've already almost racked up a whole point there. So I'm going to see just how long it takes me, and it should only be about 70,000 points ×8 to get your 10 skill points, which is the max you can get in one go. After that, it just doesn't give you any more. It'll give you the points score wise, but it won't give you any bonus skill points to spend. So I'm going to go ahead and just throw this thing around. Shouldn't take too long. And, you know, let's face it, the Peel has been one of my favorite cars in the Horizon series just because it's so dumb, it's so fun, and it's so easy to overpower. You get to slide around like this. And there you have it. No time at all, you've racked up a big enough skill chain, get your 10 skill points, and you've had tons of fun doing it. I hope you guys have found this video useful. Please subscribe, and we will definitely be doing some more Forza Horizon 4 footage soon. Thanks for watching. Boom. 10 points.